Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on C98. Today we will look at this breakout of C98 from this falling wedge pattern, and also I want to show you this big harmonic bullish reversal setup as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me share my previous analysis with you, and that was a harmonic move that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 27th of October. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal shark move, and you can see the price line spiked in this buying zone. Our buying zone from $3.53 and goes to $3.35, and the sell targets were from $3.76 goes to $4.19. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied well and even moved beyond the sell targets as I have defined. But this was a very small time frame on the 4-hourly time frame chart. Now after this move, the price line has formed another very big harmonic bullish reversal setup, and this is a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. When we had this spike and after getting rejected from here, the price line moved down and formed this initial leg of the Gartley, then retraced here, and after the formation of the complete bullish harmonic Gartley move, the price line entered here in the buying zone. Now this buying zone or potential reversal zone, you can see as per the Fibonacci sequence, is very wide because this is a weekly time frame, and you can see it starts from $2.16 and goes to $1. However, in this situation we can find any strong support to set our stop loss there, and that is here on this chart at $1.50. We have a very strong support because when we had this spike and after getting rejected from here, the price line moved down, and when it was moving up, it found a resistance here at $1.50. And after this drop, you can see that the price line exactly from $1.50, again it has found a support, and exactly from there it is getting bounced if we ignore this small spike that goes beyond $1.50. However, the support is not broken down and it is getting reversed bullish. And now our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley are from $3.80 goes to $5.52. Now let's take a look at this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame. And we can see that the price line has broken out the falling wedge pattern, not only the resistance of the falling wedge pattern, but also the exponential moving average 10 and 21 both together. This blue line is the exponential moving average 10, and this red line is EMA 21. And even though it has been breaking out these two EMAs before that, but at that time it was getting rejected by the resistance of this falling wedge pattern we have seen here, and we have also seen here as well. But right now the price line has also broken out the resistance of the falling wedge and these two EMAs all together. Therefore, it is possible that now these two moving averages will work as a strong support and lift the price line to the upside, like these moving averages did here as well back in August 2021. And now our first resistance, and this is really very strong resistance, the upcoming resistance we have, that is here. You can see we got rejected here. This was the candle I was talking about, and after that we found a support here that is $2 and approximately $2.90. Here we have this resistance, and then we again found a support here and here and here as well. And once the price line broke it down, then we had several rejections by this resistance, because previously it was working as a support, now it is working as a resistance. But after breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge and having the support of the EMA 21 and 10, it's possible that the price line will easily break out this resistance of $2.90. However, this is really very strong resistance. Then our next resistance will be approximately here at $4 $5.30 approximately, and this will be the final resistance here approximately at $5.90. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.